Hey, it's AKAJK, welcome back from another episode of my channel. Extreme Echo, as I discussed at the end of the last episode. Starting right here, right now. If you want to see what I was doing like 5 minutes ago, check out my previous episode in the cards above. I'm tired, I'm going to be heading off to the airport right now, going on a flight from here to England because I said moving forever. Right now I'm in Oman, Muscat. Obviously, if you've been watching me for a while, then you should know that. Apart from that, I'm gonna head off right. Yeah, my voice is screwing up, I'm tired. I'm gonna head off to the airport right now. You guys are gonna come with me. I'm gonna show you the hustle and the grind that I'm gonna do in the airplane because I'm not gonna be watching movies the entire time. I'm still gonna be hustling and grinding. Hopefully, I'm not gonna be watching movies at all. Right now at the airport, I'm gonna start listening to some podcasts, scripting some blog posts, things like that, because always grind, always hustle. If I can find Wi-Fi, then social media posts, because always grind, always hustle. And my sister's right there staring at me as if I am some weird person. I got her into podcasts. She likes podcasts now. She started downloading them and she's instantaneously became a fan, so yeah, podcasting for the win. Now if you take a look at some of my latest notifications, focus man, hopefully it's focusing, you can see the AKAJK audio show. My second notification is the podcast one right here. Yep, new episodes are up, so make sure to go and check them out. So
yeah, I mean, the iPhone X.
Yep, right here, AKAJK audio show. That one right there. That's the AKAJK audio show. Very good podcast. Obviously I'm saying that because it's mine. But truthfully, I think you can get a lot of great value and entertainment out of it. And essentially I merged my JK Tech News podcast, my Through Creative Hustle podcast, which still hasn't aired, and a bunch of clips from segments and whatever from YouTube videos and stuff like that, into one audio show, which is going to live on every sort of audio consuming platform that is mainstream. This is where I'm sitting right now. You can see the airport. My parents should be somewhere over there, and just a bunch of stuff here yet. So my parents are just getting our bag sorted out. So yeah, great. Hopefully they can finish ASAP. And yeah, we're just chilling around here in this newly upgraded airport. I made a full video on the airport. You can go check it out. I'll leave a link in the cards. And I'm just gonna give you a quick look around the duty free and show you everything that it sort of contains. And yeah, I'm just touring this place for you guys so you can see what it's like. Also, this is the first time for me, so it's just a new experience for me, new place that I haven't been to before. So yeah, and yeah, podcast, blogs, let's go. Yeah, so I found this like nice little cubicle for myself. It's pretty legit. Did I mention Gary Vee said that if you want to grow your business, then you do not want to be the person that wastes your time in the plane watching films. So I decided not to do that this time, and I'm just writing blog posts, social media posting, filming these short podcast episodes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it on the plane with all that like loud, extreme noise. Put my phone here. Yeah, so basically, I've recorded this short 3-minute podcast episode, and I don't know, it's going to go out tomorrow or something. It is a short segment about the platform Medium. This episode is just a short thing where I want to describe another place where you can start putting your content onto, which is a blog posting platform. Make sure to check out the podcast. I'll try and leave it in the description down below. I decided on the plane I'm going to edit some video. Then whatever time I have left, I'm going to try and sort of write blog posts on my phone, things like that, on my laptop, etc. Stuff that's not going to require like Wi-Fi. Just like right on no Wi-Fi needed platform, and to just sort of create more content because I don't want to waste the 8 hours that I'm in the plane in, so why not use them? That's a tip for you. And by the way, I'm creating these much longer segments in the vlog where I'm giving tips and tutorials and things like that. That's because I don't want this to be like a normal vlog or whatever. This is the daily grind, so it's supposed to be me documenting my daily life and discussing sort of things that go on throughout my day. while building this brand and business and sort of becoming a filmmaker. Hopefully the audio in this clip was loud enough. I don't know, because it's in public. I don't want to be screaming. Got a microphone there, got my camera there, and I'll see you in a couple of seconds. So this is what I'm eating. Yeah, I've had 2 McDonald's today. I mean, it's the only thing that I could have, so I have now. And hopefully I can get into like a healthy eating routine as soon as possible. But this is what we're eating right now. Okay, I'm not going to say sorry for it.
In the morning, and I'm zoning, they say I'm possessed. It's the omen, I keep it 300. Like the Romans, 300 bitches. We're the Trojans, baby, we living in the moment. I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it. So follow me up, cause this shit about to go. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control.
Yeah, right now what I'm doing is writing a Medium blog post. If you want to know what Medium is and what the importance of Medium is, as I said, I made a short podcast episode in the description down below. Yeah, so I'm just doing this for the top 8 iOS 12 features, just doing it right now, listening to a Gary Vee podcast, and I'm just chilling.
But there's nowhere to go, and there's no way to slow. If I knew what I knew in the past, I would have been like that on your ass.
So I'm in England right now. If you've seen a couple of clips of me grabbing bags in, we're sorted right now. My parents are making some breakfast. This is our apartment, you've probably seen it a multitude of times. I think tomorrow or the day after we'll be taking our car, which we just bought, all the way from here to Exeter, and then we're going to stay there for ever, unless we're just travelling. Because Exeter is our final destination for living. We're just staying here as temporary, then we're going to Exeter. We have to have several temporary housing things in Exeter because, yeah, social media posting obviously, so during the flight, I always like to see if there's a sunset. That was a really nice one. So I got my mom to take a couple of shots because she was next to the window. Yeah. Edited it on my phone to become this, full of color. So that's on IG. Posted it there. And my camera is dying, so of course I don't want to stop grinding today. And yeah, go and charge the battery, gonna have some food, and then I'll get back to you.
In the morning, and I'm zoning, they say I'm possessed. It's the omen, I keep it 300. Like the Romans, 300 bitches. We're the Trojans, baby, we living in the moment. I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it. So follow me up, cause this shit about to go. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control.
Okay, taking a little break from editing because we're going to be heading out to get some stuff from the shops. By the way, screwed up my iPhone case once again. It is the case. Yeah, that's annoying. And also, my Apple earphones that come with the iPhone went in the washing machine. Turns out they're fine. Now that washing machine strength is something that you only find with Apple products. Now in this apartment I don't have Wi-Fi, so I spend a lot of my time either editing over there or writing blog posts while listening to podcasts or music. So during the plane ride I did write a full sort of blog post. Then I went to sleep. And right now I'm writing another blog post on how to edit photos on a phone with the Visco app. And then this blog post I can also use as the guidelines to record one of my short raw podcast episodes for the AKAJK audio show. So that's a double down at the same time. Make sure to go check out my Medium blog where I post these blog posts. Now the only reason I'm writing them and not our new writer Adib Rahman is because there's no Wi-Fi, so it's really one of the only things that I can do, so I'm doing it. I do enjoy it, so.
They say I'm possessed. It's the omen, I keep it 300. Like the Romans, 300 bitches. Cause we're gonna be legends. Gonna get their attention. We're the Trojans, baby, we living in the moment. I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary. We're gonna be legends. Gonna teach them all a lesson. And you know it, and you know it. So follow me up, cause this shit about to go. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control.
The return from the outing, I am pretty tired. What I need to do is edit one episode. Okay, let's get this focused. I want to edit one episode of the Daily Grind, so whenever I get access to Wi-Fi in a coffee shop or something, I can get it uploaded. That will be episode 1 of the Daily Grind, which is the vlog series which you're watching right now. This should be episode 3. Oh, I'm tired. I'm going to have my lunch right now, and then we're going to chill, do some editing, do some more work. By chill, I just mean do some more work, but like, not be mobile. And then, God. Whatever interesting things come up, whatever hustle comes out, God, my back. Yeah, see, a lot of times you have to like, your back will start hurting when you, whatever you're doing, like sometimes you got to be creating content in a compromising position for your back. This is what I'm doing right now. Anyway, let's continue.